Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be looking at an important part of cryptocurrency transactions: buying tokens. If you're looking to trade any tokens, but you don't know how to go about it, this is the right video for you. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Now, when you search for the meaning of the word token on the internet, you will probably find lots of descriptions, and this might confuse you. So let's make it easy for you. A token is any crypto asset that runs on top of another cryptocurrency's blockchain, most commonly Ethereum's. The most common categories of tokens in the crypto world at the moment include DeFi tokens, governance tokens, security tokens, and non-fungible tokens. Now, let's say you want to trade in these tokens and other crypto coins. How do you go about purchasing or selling them? This is where flooz.trade and Pancake Swap come in. These are essentially exchange platforms that facilitate your crypto trading activities. Flooz.trade platform. Flooz.trade is found in the Flooz ecosystem. It is a decentralized exchange platform that gives you the power to trade any token. The developer stated that flooz.trade aims to bring crypto to everyone and integrate a social element to crypto trading. You can also connect to your wallet, which will automatically recognize the tokens that you hold, how many they are, and the market price of each of them. When it comes to humanizing cryptocurrencies, everything revolves around Flooz. With a small but devoted staff, it provides a human-friendly, intuitive, and delightful experience for its customers. Rather than relying on the slow and unnecessarily complicated crypto scene that requires a high level of technical know-how, their goal is for the crypto industry to generate modern, inclusive financial opportunities. Thus, it is possible to modernize, futuristic, and optimize crypto operations for today's youth. However, its team has already delivered a substantial amount of their aim for flooz.trade to become a true wallet, comparable to MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Flooz's existing trades features and functionalities shows its ambition to develop a revolutionary crypto firm. A closer look at some of Flooz's trade features and utilities will help shed light on how the platform functions. Flooz.trade recently launched a DeFi token called Save Your Assets, SYA, and it's intended to be used for autonomous yield and liquidity generation. This DeFi was launched on the Binance Smart Chain. Flooz.trade followed this up by releasing its first product called the SYA Radar, aimed at assisting the users in getting rid of the Binance Smart Chain scan and end searching their profiles, supported tokens, and analytics on third-party sites such as CoinGecko. Flooz.trade platform also displays verified tokens. It also has a feature where you can click on a token and view your activity. Flooz.trade Swap. With the swap, you can conduct a token-to-token swap. What's even better is that flooz.trade enables you to pay for any swaps you make using fiat currency, or the liquid money as we know it. This will be a first in the crypto world, since all the other exchanges do not have this feature. To trade in these platforms, one needs to have previous crypto holdings in their wallets. Flooz.trade creators. With their human stock market, Flooz hopes to be the backbone of the world's future economy. It's a system that allows innovators to develop their own digital currencies while also nurturing their communities. In other words, fans may be able to invest in their favorite creators. It is possible to express yourself digitally on your own terms thanks to Flooz's comprehensive platform, which encourages and promotes originality and creativity. It may be downloaded through the App Store. With it, you can remain true to your uniqueness while promoting your business and connecting with your local community. The creator platform provides the essential financial infrastructure, whether you're selling a digital product as a download, running live Zoom sessions, or hosting a Q&A session with followers. and is connected to PayPal and Stripe. Also, Flooz' SYA dollar currency was influenced by the desire to build a global means of exchanging value that would allow 30% of the world's population, who are currently unbanked, to participate in this passion economy. You can either offer your services for free, charge a set fee, or enable customers to pay what they want out of their own wallets. With this unique passion economy, the ultimate goal is to create a system in which any artist can have their own digital money and establish their own economy from the ground up. Additionally, it seeks to make the workplace more friendly. What you need to run and grow a successful solo business is the web, subscribers, payments, insights, and analytics only. People's perceptions of crypto and DeFi are changing as a result of trade, which is creating a strong economy. In this case, we're talking about a comprehensive platform with a powerful infrastructure that allows artists to sell their work without restriction and on their own terms, and to be reimbursed for the value they bring. A long-term digital economy can be created when communities or followers obtain value while simultaneously supporting their favorite creators. It is, without question, the workplace of the future. Pancake Swap. Apart from flooz.trade, you can also use Pancake Swap as an exchange platform to trade your tokens and digital coins. Unlike flooz.trade, this exchange is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and it enables its users to swap BEP20 standard tokens with ease. BEP20 is the standard process for creating tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Pancake Swap is currently one of the most popular AMM projects based on the BSC, with millions of daily active users. Since its launch in 2020, the protocol has seen a significant increase in popularity and activity, with trading volumes exceeding 800 million. Pancake Swap, among other ventures, has played a critical role in the DeFi business, with consumers investigating different DeFi startups that use innovative technology to set themselves apart from their competition. Pancake Swap was not established by a specific individual, and there is no documentation on who built it. According to the information available, it is a new pilot platform built on BSC and funded by Changpeng Zhao. Pancake Swap operates on the automated market maker model, where traders trade digital coins and tokens by use of permissionless liquidity pools. After depositing funds in these digital pools, traders receive a liquidity provider or an LP token in return. Pancake Swap also enables the traders to receive a fee for making their assets available for lending. On the flip side, if you want to use the liquidity, you will have to pay a predetermined fee to Pancake Swap. The exchange then distributes the accumulated fee among the people who have contributed to the pool. It also sets a nominal amount aside in what is referred to as the Pancake Swap Treasury. This amount is solely for the maintenance of the platform. In Pancake Swap, you get the chance to start earning when you create liquidity for the pool. As your contribution portfolio increases, so does your earnings increase. The exchange also goes a step further by allowing its users to farm the liquidity provider tokens in another type of liquidity pool as they seek to earn the native BEP20 tokens called Cake. Perhaps the most rewarding liquidity pools in Pancake Swap are the syrup pools. Don't be discouraged by the technical terms you will find online about syrup pools. They are simply the easiest way that you can earn free tokens on the exchange. When you stake Cake, you earn free tokens. If you decide to unstake your Cake, your tokens are automatically refunded back to your wallet. There's another cool feature in Pancake Swap, which allows you to auto-stake your Cake. This option re-stakes your Cake in predetermined periods, with the least period being hourly. This helps you to continuously compound your rewards. If you are the type of a trader that finds thrill in taking trading chances, then Pancake Swap is the exchange for you. It offers experience that are similar to games, such as wagering on the projected behavior of the price of Binance coin within a specified period. The exchange also features a lottery feature that allows traders to buy a ticket as they seek to win a major cake bonus. Other incentives offered by Pancake Swap include bunny-themed NFTs and initial farm offering sales that enable you to buy new coins from upcoming projects. Pancake Swap also works by doing away with middlemen, and any reward or bonus you get on this exchange will all be yours. No sharing. A trick with Pancake Swap is to lock your tokens for a long time, because this will result in your rewards being plenty, especially with some of the liquidity pools and staking options that you can select from. With Pancake Swap, you will need a crypto wallet since it does not facilitate the use of fiat currency. Some of the wallets you can use include Mat Wallet, Binance Chain Wallet, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. Pancake Swap, in collaboration with Binance, aims to meet and exceed users' expectations in the DeFi space by offering a broad, versatile ecosystem with unique features, a variety of exciting rewards, and overall improved, reputable performances, as well as the potential for future developments and expansions. Pancake Swap also works to resolve a number of issues that other cryptocurrency market participants and blockchains may be experiencing. One such issue is centralization, and despite the fact that the DeFi revolution was born on the Ethereum blockchain and 9% of tokens are based on the ERC20 standard, there are still issues with transaction delays, excessive fees, and congested networks. Projects like Pancake Swap overcome this problem by utilizing enhanced consensus techniques that make them faster, more efficient, and truly decentralized. Another element that attracts investors to Pancake Swap is that it streamlines activities and operations, making it a more cost-effective alternative for users. That's all we have for today. You now know about 2 of the exchanges that you can use to trade tokens and digital coins. Remember, we are always uploading similar content. If you don't want to miss out on any future content, remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. We would also appreciate it if you left a like and shared the video too. Until next time, take care.